of what we are doing to ourselves and to one another. Thanks.
Is a good and never ending habit. So let's add a new word in our vocabulary. For this, I would welcome Satakshi for it. Satakshi, please.
Good morning, everyone. Word of the day is ecosystem, spelled as ECOSYSTEM, meaning a community or group of living organisms that live in and interact with each other in a specific environment. Sentence: the farmer raised the fish in their rice fields in a perfect ecosystem. Thank you.
Hearing news is a good and never ending habit. We should always inculcate this habits which shows our awareness towards our nation. So for news, I would like to call Shristi. Shristi, please.
Good morning, all of you. Today's news headlines are international news. Taliban fighters rollerblade through Kabul streets with AK-47 rifles. National news. Vijay Shanti quits BJP likely to join Congress. Sports news. That's nothing even remotely close to joke. South Africa coach Rob Walter claims after semi-final loss to Australia. Weather news. Snowfall looms. In Scotland, UK faces yellow alert for heavy rainfall. Thank you and have a nice day.
As everyone knows, the topic of our assembly is environment. So I would like to call Anya for throwing light on it.
Good morning to my respected teacher and my dear friends. The topic of my speech is environment. Environment is the surrounding in which we live. It is a source of life. Our whole life is dependent to the environment. It directs our life and determines our proper growth and development. Good or bad quality of social life depends on the quality of our natural environment. The need of human beings for food, water, shelter, and other things depends on the environment around us. There is a balanced natural cycle exists between environment and lives of human beings, plants, and animals. Human society is playing a vital role in degenerating the natural environment, which is to negativity affects the life on this planet. All the human actions in this modern world directly impact the whole ecosystem. Thank you.
Any further baby here? Now I would like to call our beloved principal ma'am for guiding us to the right path. Ma'am, please.